Now we have 2 and 5/6 plus 2 and 7/18. Now to add fractions, or to add mixed numbers, we need the denominators of our fractions to be the same. Now 18 is in the 6 times table, so we can find an equivalent fraction to 5/6 with a denominator of 18. So rather than 2 and 5/6, we can rewrite our question as 2 and 15/18 plus 2 and 7/18. That's because 6 times 3 is 18, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well. And 5 times 3 is 15. So we found our equivalent fractions and rewritten the question. Now if we add the whole numbers in the question, 2 plus 2 is 4. And if we add the fractions, we remember that the denominator stays the same, and 15 plus 7 is 22. But we can't write 4 and 22/18 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So first we need to change 22/18 into a mixed number. So rather than 4 plus 22/18, we can write 4 plus 1 and 4/18, because as a mixed number, 22/18, or 22 divided by 18, is 1 remainder 4, our denominator stays the same. So our answer is 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4/18. Now 2 and 11/12 plus 1 and 2/3. To add mixed numbers, we need the fractions to have the same denominator, so because 12 is in the 3 times table, we need to find an equivalent fraction to 2/3 which has a denominator of 12. So we can rewrite our question as 2 and 11/12 plus 1 and 8/12. We found our equivalent fraction because 3 times 4 is 12, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well. So 3 times 4 is 12, so we multiply 2 by 4 to get 8 as our numerator. Now if we add the whole numbers, 2 plus 1 is 3, and if we add the fractions, the denominator stays the same, and 11 plus 8 is 19. So we have 3 and 19/12, but we can't write 3 and 19/12 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So rather than 3 and 19/12, we have 3 plus 1 and 7/12, because 19 divided by 12 is 1 remainder 7, so that's 1 and 7/12 as a mixed number. So now 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7/12, so that's our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.